Welcome back to Login Joints. In this video, you will learn how to solve CapCut no internet problem. So first of all, make sure your CapCut is updated. Go to Play Store and search for CapCut. So my application is updated, so I don't need to worry about this part. Again, open your settings application. And here go to apps. Here search for CapCut. Go to storage and clear the cache. And never clear the data because it will delete all your information, all your stored videos. Now go back to permissions. Make sure that you have given permissions to all of these. Again, go back. And now this should fix your problem. If your CapCut is still not opening, then again go to Play Store and reinstall your CapCut after you install it. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching.